Ngayong January 19, 2025 ay nagdadaos si Malia O'Brien ng kanyang ika-7th birthday at isang mensahe nga ang ibinigay ng kanyang ama na si Lee. Pero tila hindi ito nagustuhan ni Pokwang at ilang mga netizen din ang tila hindi believe at hindi nararamdaman ang pagiging genuine ng nasabing pagbati. Narito ang mensahe ni Lee O'Brien para kay Malia.
Well, sweet Malia, guess what I heard? It's your birthday! Happy birthday, my love! Wishing you the very best in the coming year. Hope it's lots of fun. Hope you make a lot of friends. Hope you have a great time. And I hope you celebrate your day well. Alright? Nana, Grandpa, Tita, the whole family, we all love you and wish you very best. Alright? We love you and we hope you're enjoying your day very much. And we wish you the very best in the coming year. And we wish that we can see you. And we hope we can see you. We'll see you soon. I just want you to know, sweetheart, 7 years ago today was the greatest moment of my life. You came into this world and I got to hold you for the first 2 hours of life. You were in my arms. It was the best. I want you to know, baby, I love you. I miss you more than anything. And even though we're not together, I'll always be in your heart. Okay? And you'll always be in mine. I think of you every day. I miss you, my love. Happy birthday. I love you so much.
Ayon sa mga netizen, sana daw ay mapatunayan ni Lee na mahal niya ang kanyang anak. Kasulukuyan kasing si Lee ang nagmamanage ng nasabing Instagram ni Malia na may 300,000 followers at ilang mga social media pages din na sinasabing administrator din si Lee at kumikita ng pera dito. Kaya naman ilang mga bagay na rin ang ginagawa ni Pokwang para ma-take down ang nasabing social media account na kung saan sinabi ni Pokwang na nakikinabang si Lee sa kinikita ng mga social media pages na ito. Samantala, ilang netizen din na nagsabi na sana daw ay patawarin na rin ni Pokwang si Lee O'Brien at maging maayos sila. Well, ano po masasabi niyo sa story na ito?